Hi guys, today we learn about how to fix YouTube black screen problem on Android phone. So first solution is you need to restart or power off your mobile. After restarting or power off your mobile, you need to open again YouTube or check problem is solved or not. If it is not working, then you need to try second method. So you need to open settings. Now click more settings, app manager. Here's the all app that is installed on my mobile. Now you open YouTube. Now click permission and allow all the permission. And after allow the permission, you need to open again YouTube and check black screen problem is finished or not. If this is not work, then you need to click storage, click clear cache and clear data. After that, just restart your mobile. After restarting your mobile, YouTube is working properly and black screen problem will be removed. So this is how you can solve your problem. Thanks for watching.